Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, October 19th, and this is my full top-down analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the monthly time frame, working our way down to the 1 hour for the full top-down. So anyways, on the US dollar yen, this move up to me still looks very corrective, like it's only a pullback to this last wave down. Also looking at all other yen pairs, a lot of the yen pairs, if we consider this more of a yen pair, a lot of the yen pairs look like they are getting ready to make a very large move down. So this may still end up pushing down to the 78% like I was originally thinking, or if it really is a wave three, it could go down to the 161, 178% pretty easily. So going down to the weekly time frame. Now, there's no proof of that yet, that just because we're pulling back a little bit at a fib level is definitely not enough proof that this move up right here is over. So this move up definitely could go higher. It could go up to the 78%. There's a chance it just keeps on going up and makes like a double top. The market flow is up, so I definitely would be recommending longs on the medium time frames. Going down to the daily time frame, yes, we did have a very impulsive move down, but we also do not have a breaker structure to the downside. The only thing we know for sure is that this wave right here, from here to here, is over. If we get a breaker structure to the upside on shorter time frames at a Fibonacci retracement level, then there is definitely a chance that this keeps going up. So anyways, taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where we can have our Fibonacci retracement on here. The most recent structure is right here, so if it breaks and holds above structure, then I definitely would become very, very bullish. Otherwise, we would still be looking at this move up as possibly a pullback to the last wave down. It definitely could end up making a lower high, and it definitely still could end up pushing down. There is obviously a big gap right here, but I personally don't really trade based on gaps because I've seen some gaps stay open for a very, very, very long time. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, I have my Fibonacci retracement only from here to here because, like I said, if it breaks this high right here, then we're probably back into an uptrend. If it doesn't break that high, but it goes up to like a Fibonacci retracement level and then breaks down, then that might end up just being another lower high within this 4 hour to daily time frame downtrend that we are currently in. So for me personally, as someone who doesn't really trade much below the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking at this move up as possibly a pullback to the last wave down. So if it does give me a chance to go short, I definitely will. If it does break structure to the upside, I'll definitely stop looking for shorts at that point and start looking for longs again. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.